Create an ultra-realistic, cinematic image of the 2026 Honda CR-V, finished in pearl white metallic color, parked elegantly inside a modern Honda showroom with glass walls, reflective marble flooring, and soft ambient lighting. The atmosphere should reflect luxury, modernity, and the advanced design language of Honda's 2026 lineup. The front view of the car should feature the new signature LED headlights with a sleek, aggressive profile, a redesigned chrome Honda emblem, and a wide black honeycomb grille that emphasizes the sporty SUV character. Include air intakes, daytime running lights, and a subtle body curve that gives a premium aerodynamic effect. The reflections on the showroom floor should highlight the contours of the body, making the car look dynamic and powerful even when stationary. From the side view, show the bold character lines running smoothly from front to rear, defining the CR-V's muscular yet elegant shape. The vehicle should sit on 19-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, with visible brake calipers and detailed tire textures. The windows should be tinted slightly, with chrome accents around the edges for a refined finish. Add soft reflections of showroom lighting on the doors, showing a realistic play of light and shadow across the metallic surface. In the rear view, depict the signature vertical LED taillights connected with a thin chrome bar, symbolizing Honda's modern identity. The rear bumper should include integrated exhaust outlets and a small roof spoiler for a sporty touch. Place the Honda logo prominently at the center of the tailgate, with the CR-V 2026 badge on the right. The rear windshield should have a clean, slightly reflective surface, mirroring the showroom lights above. Showcase the interior through slightly open doors or a cinematic top-angle glimpse. The cabin should look luxurious and futuristic, featuring tan leather seats, ambient LED lighting, and a wide digital dashboard with dual screens, one for the driver's information and another for the infotainment system. The center console should have a floating design, with a wireless charger, cup holders, and elegant wood grain trim. Add soft light reflections to highlight the comfort and attention to detail in the craftsmanship. The showroom environment should be bright and modern, featuring Honda branding on the back wall, a digital display screen showcasing car features, and potted plants or minimalist decor to give a futuristic vibe. The lighting should be well balanced. Cool white overhead LEDs mixed with a few warm accent lights focused on the car's surfaces, creating a studio-quality presentation. Make sure the image has cinematic depth of field, emphasizing the car sharply while keeping the background softly blurred for a premium photography effect. Include reflections on glass panels, light glares, and a subtle touch of lens flare to enhance realism. Overall, the prompt should convey a sense of innovation, comfort, and elegance, showing the 2026 Honda CR-V as a next-generation SUV designed for modern lifestyles. Focus on fine details like tire treads, grille textures, headlight reflections, seat stitching, and metallic shimmer. The result should look like an official Honda marketing image, polished, futuristic, and photorealistic.